tight.
Get beauty. Looking good and looking nice. Get beauty.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
Get beauty.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that their beauty is only specialized in makeup and hair, now let me shock you. We in that beauty studio, we are also specialized in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeup, Gele time, and a lot more. Just call on Deck Beauty and she'll be right there with you. She travels worldwide, international connection. She's there, always happy. Epa mi ra papa foba uko Oma terere Karia ye.
Everybody look, see what the Lord has done.
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 Everybody look, see what the Lord has
Put
done.
it, put it, put it, put it,
We love you. Take a look. All the Deck Beauty fans in the world. Deck Beauty is sending bunch of love to you all. Receive love, receive beauty. Ragamuffin.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Get beauty.
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
Get beauty. Looking good and looking nice. Get beauty.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
Get beauty. Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Get beauty.
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
Get beauty. Looking good and looking nice. Get beauty.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, Deck Beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Oh, Samudia me, I say no me yemume. Oh, I just to ke mudia ni me fo. Oh, Samudia no ma ayete, megide. No Samudia now,
Any day.
oh I. No Samudia now,
Any day.
no Samudia now, any day. Yeah. No Samudia now, any day.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Get beauty.
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
Get beauty. Looking good and looking nice. Get beauty.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
Get beauty. Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Get beauty.
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
Get beauty.